In fact, we have some breaking inputs coming in on that note. Remember, the Congress party had just approached the Election Commission of India, and with regards to that, we are getting in more inputs. As far as Congress's delegation that approached the EC is concerned, the Election Commission, in fact, has responded saying that the counting is conducted as per Rule 60 of the Conduct of Election Rules at the designated counting centers. Let's try and get in some understanding in terms of what the Election Commission has had to say. Arunima will be sharing more inputs with us. Arunima, share the details with us.
So, the last couple of hours, the Election Commission of India website seemed to not be moving as fast as it was in the initial hours of counting. So, the Congress alleged that this was deliberately slowing down of the counting process. They've all expressed continuously over the last 2 months doubts over the way the ECI has been conducting the election, and keeping with that trend, they landed at the ECI's doorstep a short while ago and raised concerns about the way the counting was happening. So now ECI sources are clarifying that this is again trying to mislead and raise doubts unnecessarily. What they're saying is that the entire counting process is being conducted as per rules, in presence of the candidate, in presence of the micro observers who have been appointed, and so far from no polling station or no counting station rather, there have been any complaints raised of any anomaly. So trying to ascertain that yes, it is taking time because perhaps the counting process of all the EVMs is just taking time, but that does not mean that there is any deliberate mischief or anything amiss in the delay that we are seeing.
So they have admitted to the delays, haven't they? Because Abhishek Manu Singhvi is saying that we aren't registering a complaint, it's just a concern that we are raising. He in fact stated, Arunima, that parliamentary constituency data is not being uploaded on time. Has that been fixed? What are you tracking?
See, the Election Commission is trying to explain what we are calling delay. They're trying to explain it in terms of procedure. I'm just going to read out to you what they're saying. In assembly elections, round pertains to the assembly constituencies and hence are declared and reflected on the ECI result portal. For parliamentary constituency, the counting happens in the assembly segments falling in the particular PC, which is the parliamentary constituency. Since different assembly segments have different numbers of round, they run at different speed, and that reflects on the overall parliamentary number as well. For example, I can explain to you, if you take Guna, Guna has 8 assembly constituencies. Okay. Each assembly will be doing its own counting and its returning officer will take his or her own time. And then when all the 8 have finished all rounds of countings, only then can you declare what the Guna parliamentary constituency result is. That is what the EC is trying to explain. But like I told you, the opposition and the Congress party have been suspicious of the entire process throughout the 2024 election, and their complaint is keeping in line with that trend.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that. Arunima, thank you so much for joining us. We will continue to get our viewers all the updates.